Windows 11 taskbar completely unresponsive? You can click on desktop icons, open files and even right click, but the taskbar just don't respond. Don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through a few simple and effective solutions that can fix it right away. So let's get started. Let's start with the quickest and easiest solution. Sometimes just restarting the Windows Explorer process can bring the taskbar back to life. Here's what you need to do. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time. Now click on Task Manager. In Task Manager, scroll down and look for something called Windows Explorer. Or you can also simply type Windows Explorer in the search box at the top to find it faster. Once you see it, right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Now in the Task Manager window, click on Run New Task at the top. In the box that opens, type explorer.exe. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click OK. Now go back and check. Your taskbar should be working properly again. If restarting Windows Explorer didn't help, let's try tweaking a small registry setting. Open Task Manager again and click on Run New Task. Type Regedit. Check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click OK. Now you are in the Registry Editor. On the left panel, carefully follow this path. H key local machine. Then software. After that, Microsoft. Now go to Windows. Then current version. After that, go to Shell. Now go to Update. And then Packages. Once you are inside in the Packages folder, right click on the right side of the screen. Select New. Then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Rename this new value to Undocking Disabled. Note, U and D should be capital letters, no spaces. Now double click on it. Change the value data from 0 to 1 and click OK. That's it. Now try checking your taskbar again. Sometimes this one change can fix it instantly. Still no luck? Let's try one last method. So first, press Windows plus R. Now type explorer.exe and hit enter. Now File Explorer will open. From the left sidebar, click on this PC. Now go to your C drive. Then open the Windows folder. After that, go into System32. Now look at the top right corner of File Explorer window. There's a search box. Now in the search box, type CTFMon. Now you should see a file named CTFMon.exe in the results. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. Now restart your computer. After restarting, your taskbar should start working normally, whether it's unresponsive, not opening or completely missing. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tutorial and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.